This is the shower head after I removed it. And as you can see on the top, or you might be able to see here, there's this separation that occurred, probably due to hard water deposits or something, but you know, this thing lasted about 8 months before doing this, which is just unacceptable. So this is the only side that has this separation. I'll see if I can separate it a little bit more so you can see it better, but it's right here. And that's where all the water was coming out rather than the holes down here. So that's what the separated side kind of looks like, if you can see it there. And then the side that is together and not separated is, you know, these are all sealed sides, but the side that's separated, you know, didn't hold water in.
Look at this. Dirty. Dirty. Let's see how it came. Gloves. Oh, look, it's a dirty shower head that I bought brand new. Disgusting. Do not buy from the seller.
Works great. Everything I could have hoped for. Excellent investment.
I don't know if you can see this through the video, but only the outer 2 rows, and in the back the outer 3 rows have anything coming out of them. All the other rows have an occasional drop coming out. That's kind of useless.
After I shot the water, I don't know why it's still leaking like this. I'm gonna return it because there's something wrong with it.
What are you doing?
This thing, after I shot, it's still leaking. I don't know why is it still leaking like this.
was the old shower head made by Delta, rain shower head. It was okay, but it got clogged up after a while. But this one doesn't require you to put any restrictor in, and that's full blown